Hello everybody and welcome to the next episode of our £15,000 Family EV Challenge series. So this one's going to be about practicality. We want to test what they're like for family life, getting people in, getting your children in, getting luggage in, and just how practical each of these cars can be. So we're just waiting for the producer to give us our next challenge. We've been waiting so long it's actually turned a different season and now it's snowing. I guess with his brown leaf it's gone past autumn. Here's the next challenge.
Oh, excellent.
Right, guys, what have we got?
It's a nice new envelope.
This is it. Well, yes, envelope. It's snow in April. Very good. Okay, this series is all about practicality. Imagine a scenario. You're pulling up to pick up your children and their friend from school. There's no parking, so you're waiting down the road. They come out of school. There are challenges to get everybody in the car and away as quick as possible.
All that was written on that bit of paper?
You will be timed. Yes,
oh, yeah, on the back.
It's tiny. It's like a cookies.
Tiny,
a fortune cookie. Your luck is about to change and it's about to snow. So the challenge may change to get your snow chains on. Anyway,
right, cool.
We better go and pick up the kids from school because it's snowing. They won't want to wait around.
Definitely not.
Let's go.
All right, cool.
Where's school, by the way? Okay, so we're going to simulate here our children at the roadside waiting to be picked up from school. They've got some stuff with them because they've got after-school clubs and all that kind of thing. Obviously not going to use our actual children, so these are our 3 children and they've already kicked a ball in the road. Here comes Joe. So what we're going to do...
God, I nearly ran over that football. Come on, children.
Right, let's set a stopwatch. See how easy it is. And ready, steady, go.
Get in the car. Did you have a nice day at school? Get in, you silly boy.
Me and Mark, we're not allowed to help with this. We're just going to observe. You're going to make sure you get all your stuff in.
We've got to get Matt to tennis club. That's for Igor. He's only got little legs.
Yeah. These scooters
on,
now.
Igor.
They've all got these scooters, haven't they? What a nightmare.
What are
You're
you
blocking
doing?
the road. Don't take too long.
Hurry up. We haven't got all day. Got to get to tennis club. Got football club, ice skating. We've got Sergio's special English tutoring.
So how much space is there in the boot of this Nissan Leaf? It's getting full up now.
Hurry up now. I'm going to get a parking ticket.
It's going to get... it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. Don't forget your football.
Forget the football. We haven't got time for the football.
Mind the road. Get out of the road.
Oh my God.
Stop, look and listen. Come on, kids.
How old are you? Come on. You're like 7 years old.
Oh, everything's in the boot, is it though? No, it's not in the boot. The Nissan Leaf, your clock's ticking. There's a car. There's actually a car behind you now, Joe. Oh, he's just going to go by anyway. It's all in. It's all in.
Come on.
Seatbelts on or it doesn't count.
Put your seatbelts on. Come on.
You're 1 minute 10 seconds blocking the road.
Serge.
You're going to get a parking ticket. You're going to get a parking ticket.
Oh my Lord.
How you doing for space in the back, children?
Yeah, crap. Great.
Can you? Why? What are you doing? Oh.
I think this is actually a pretty real simulation of collection from school. It's always chaos.
Right, seatbelts.
No, you're not allowed to go until the seatbelts are on.
Oh God.
They've got to get the seatbelts on. There's a van now. There's a van.
Go.
Are you all in?
Yeah.
Okay, ready, steady. 1 minute 43.
That was shocking.
So the Nissan Leaf did get everything and everybody in it. 1 minute 43.
There's no, you're going to bed without any tea, you are. And the other one, Igor, what was that all about? Couldn't put your seatbelt on. Serge is always very good boy, Serge, well done. You set an example to your elder and younger brother.
Thank you.
Do you want to go next, Mark?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's do it. I can get all the kids out again. See where he is. I can hear the tones of a Renault Zoe. There you go, kids. You better go and get in. I'm going to start the stopwatch ready now.
Okay, let's go, let's go. Come on. How do I get in? Just open the door. Where's the handle? What do you mean, where's the handle?
You've got to find the handles on the Zoe. There it is.
Come on.
Oh, there's not much room in there. I don't think you're going to manage this.
It'll be fine.
Oh, you're never going to get in there. You're never going to get in there.
You can't sit on that. You need to put that in the boot. We do this every day.
Yeah, you can't sit on that. No, that's going to have to go in the boot. I'm not going to do it. This looks like a bit of a squeeze. Have you got the dog in the front as well, Mark?
I've got the dog, yeah.
The dog's in the front.
Dog's getting bored.
Oh, I see. That was an off-colour joke, everyone. Apologies for that.
The scooter it's not going to fit.
You're doing this just to wind me up, aren't you?
No.
Broken the Zoe.
That scooter's not fitting in the Zoe, is it?
It will be fine.
What are you going to do? Leave that behind?
Yeah, just going to have to leave it at school. Yeah, you will, won't you?
Oh,
I thought you were good at
school
Tetris.
look after it. What about you going to after-school frisbee club?
Yeah,
you need some help there?
Oh, the clock's ticking. You're 1 minute 10 seconds already.
Go on, bring back. Yeah.
No electric tailgate, no? Okay.
In you get.
You're worse than my kids, and
loads of
they're young.
Oh, the eldest has banged his head.
God.
So even a 9-year-old will bang their head on a Zoe.
Seatbelt.
Yeah, seatbelts on. You
Well,
can't.
you
No,
need
we
to
need
put
to
your seatbelt
supervise
on.
this. We can't.
We go through this every day.
Yo, it's not even on. Oh,
God.
Oh dear, you're gonna get a parking ticket. Double yellows here.
There's a load more mums here, Mark. They want to know what's going on.
Beep beep beep.
They're all stuck behind you.
where is it? What's this thing?
We've got Igor's ballet class in a minute. Come on.
Are you plugged in?
Easy to hold.
What's
Shut the
that
door
extra
then.
bit you've got there?
Don't know. It's just
Just ignore it. It's fine.
Just ignore it.
drive.
1 minute 52 on the stopwatch for the Zoe. Did look like a bit of a squeeze, and a very expensive electric scooter has been left behind.
Sad times for dads and mums.
Oh well.
Got to pay extra for stolen stuff.
Right, now watch the class leader, the Hyundai coupe. Not a problem. Come on kids, in the car.
So, okay.
Let's go. Quick, quick. Loads of room, put it all in. Ample room, put it all in.
Was that pre-folded, that scooter?
Yeah, it was. Oh, sorry about that, Mark. I'll help them.
Matt, can you get the scooter from over there? One of the adults has moved it over by the leaf, the brown leaf.
That's actually not as much room as you think in there.
Loads of room in there.
There's
Don't
not as
worry
much
about
room
that.
as you think.
It's not going in.
I don't think the scooter's getting in.
For a coupe,
The scooter's not going in. The scooter doesn't fit, Rich.
Yeah.
It doesn't
Plenty
fit.
of room.
You're not going to close that.
Go on.
Plenty of room. Come
Oh
on,
dear!
everybody.
What an enormous fail.
It's in there, just put it in there.
It's not in there.
Well, it's because you left it last, because you were hiding it.
Or was someone else's fault? Daddy's a bit grumpy.
Don't touch my...
Oh, the scooter
It
won't
shouldn't have
fit.
gone in last.
Oh dear, we must be into 2 minutes territory by
No,
now.
right.
Oh look, here he comes now.
Right, that's going in
Right.
the car.
Put it in, Dad.
That's because you put all the other stuff in
We'll do a
first.
video on how to replace the rear windscreen on one of these when Richard slams it. I put the back wheel through Eagle's head.
It's because you've got all this in. You just did it wrong. You children. Unbelievable.
This is just fantastic.
Look.
Oh.
See?
Oh, well done.
Not a
well
problem.
done, Dad.
Not a problem. It's in. Right, is everybody in?
Oh, have you all got your seatbelts on? Where? We're not allowed to go till they've all got the seatbelts on.
Everybody's
Come on,
in.
Matt, put your seatbelt on. Hurry up. Hurry up, put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on, Matt.
It's been about 10 seconds
Put your
now, come on.
seatbelt
This is just because of sabotage.
Oh, yeah.
Go, go, go. Man.
Let's do it. Let's do the sabotage.
They're going to be late.
Oh, cool. Eagles missed ballet again.
Okay, which car has got the most space in the back?
Yours.
This car, yeah?
This one, yeah.
Yeah, even though it's the coupe, look at the headroom, look at the legroom.
The
Not a
headroom
problem.
wasn't a problem in any of them. You didn't manage to shut your boot properly, though.
Yeah, but you sabotaged the load. It was not an issue. So that's absolutely fine. So we all agree the Hyundai's the winner, right?
Yep.
See, there we go.
Unbelievable.
Even for the coupe.
It's
The most
coupes have
space.
3 doors. This is not a coupe.
It is a coupe.
It's not a coupe.
It's coupe.
It's not a coupe.
So that was about
You got all
33
the stuff
seconds,
in
I
the,
think,
in the
got there.
leaf, though. That was okay. Yeah, it went in the leaf.
head into this one.
Oh, did you?
So,
Might have equalled out the damage.
but do you reckon the Hyundai wins, followed by the Leaf, followed by the Zoe?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's that test. Your next challenge is to go to a shop, like many on the high street, that sell lots of boxes and see how many boxes you can fit in a car.
Okay.
Yes, you do.
Let's do that one.
All right. I love boxes.
So here we are, we need to load some boxes up and see which car has the most space for furniture boxes. Come on, Joe, first up is the Nissan Leaf. Well, I'll put the first one in for you, look. 1.
Okay. 2.
It's quite deep actually,
I don't know
it's
that
all
that's
right.
going to close, you know.
It's a 1. Oh, well done.
Hold on. Now that'll be fine. Yeah. So 2.
2 without folding the seats. Okay, let's fold the seats. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see, look, the width there is pretty good. That's all right. So it gets 4 of those in with the seats down.
We'll quickly just get this box in. and it probably won't be a problem at all. It's definitely, oh, do you know what? I think that's going to fit.
No.
Yeah, that's
No, never going to go in.
It will. Just move that. It's caught on this bag actually, Rich.
It's caught on the fact it doesn't fit in.
This will fit. Do I take the front wheel off or not?
I don't know.
Well, it'll probably fit this one round, won't it?
You just have to do it quite quickly, otherwise it gets boring to watch.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
You find everything boring that's not you or factual.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. That's in, that'll do.
No, you're going to go through the back glass there.
Yeah, well,
Hang on, it's not that far off, you know.
What I would do is take the wheel off.
Does that go in, look?
I think it does, but I think you...
I'm even helping you here.
I think it's be permissible to take the wheel off, actually, because you could...
Get in.
No, you won't be able to close the door now. I think if it was like a normal thing where you took the wheel off, which most people would consider doing, quick release wheel, then it'll be fine. It'll go in no problem.
So you would get a bike in if you just made a little bit of effort?
Yeah, you just took the front wheel. Oh, God. That's it.
Why don't you get your Renault Zoe? Okay, here comes the Zoe.
Hang on. Make it fair.
1, 2 like that? No?
Let's do the old Nissan Leaf trick. Ooh, there we go.
Okay, the 2 boxes are in.
That's fine.
Do you want to fold your seats? Can you get 4 in?
There we go.
That's really good.
Any more?
There you go.
No?
They're all
Okay.
in.
If you get something good on the top there.
Big box challenge.
Look at that. Ooh, hang on.
Wait a minute. Wait.
Hang on.
Wow,
Is that in?
I'm really impressed with that.
The seats just need to go forwards a little bit. It's fine.
You've got it.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Amazing.
Renault Zoe passes the big box challenge.
Who'd have thought it?
What about a mountain bike without the wheel off of it?
Okay. Watch the paintwork.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be a wheel-off scenario, like the Leaf.
It's a narrow opening here, isn't it?
Put any bike in a car, you know...
Wait till you see the coupe, not a problem.
It's not a coupe.
Like a van as well. So this wheel with a wheel off as well. So
Yeah, let's just say, yeah.
The Leaf was almost going in because it's just got a wider opening, but okay. So the Zoe was actually pretty good, the big box pass. Very good. You know, Audi e-tron, the big one, doesn't fit the big box.
Well, there we go.
EQC
Says it
does
all.
not fit the big box. Jaguar I-Pace does not fit the big box. So there we go.
Points for you, Mark. Points
I
for
need
you.
all the points.
1 point.
Okay, let me go get my car and I will show you
Yeah.
exactly what boot
Range.
capacity is. Right.
How many do we get in?
All of them. We don't need these.
Oh, we had those in our car. No.
Okay, they can go in after.
I don't know. You're the most shameless cheat. That's terrible.
Easy.
There you go. There's 2. No, not 2.
Well, this is a coupe, remember?
It's not a coupe.
I can go home like that. I'll be
Go
fine.
home. Will this go this way like that? Yeah. Yeah, that's a perfect solution. Mate, this is failing. After all your bluster, you're failing. You can't even get 2 in there.
Okay, I'll admit defeat.
Hashtag
It's just
fail.
1 box for that. I shall pop the seats down now.
This sweeping low roofline of a coupe. Yeah, brilliant. This is the Leaf
Okay, that doesn't
and
fit.
the Zoe. And the Zoe, big box test done.
Oh, sorry, do you want me to prove all these go in? 'Cause
No,
it's not a problem.
I'm surprised if they do, actually.
Have a look at this, look. Slide.
You've still failed,
All the space in the world.
unless you want to put the big box in there. Or 2 boxes with the seats on.
There's loads of space in there. And look how you just slide things through. So much better design, it really is.
Actually, if that doesn't fit, that would be a travesty, wouldn't it? So,
It's going to go straight in.
you should have ridden it in
See,
there,
because it's
sadly.
smooth there, I can just slide that through. And then we are all done.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, dear.
Oh, hey.
How are you making that not work? How are you doing this? You have
It's fine,
lost
it's
the
got to take
practicality challenge. Well, yeah,
It's a
arguably
loss. That's
all
a
of them.
much nicer space.
Arguably, if you could take the wheel off, any one of them would have taken the bike.
Yeah.
But of the 4 tests there, you've only passed 1.
Okay, should we call it a wraps for the practicality test there?
Okay, so if we're going to make some conclusions about today's challenges, challenge number 1 was picking up from school. Challenge number 2 was how many boxes can you fit in the back of the car. So what do you think, Rich? How do we get on?
Hyundai had the best passenger space. Everyone voted that.
Yep.
Yeah.
The Zoe the least passenger space.
Yeah.
Agreed.
Leaf in the middle.
Spot
For
on.
boot space, we concluded that the Zoe, just because it's narrower, couldn't fit the scooter in, but it does fit in all the soft bags, and that was okay. They all flew in the Leaf. So actually, because the Leaf is deeper, that
Yes.
was better than this.
Yeah.
When it comes to boxes and that like this opening's so much better, isn't it? So much smoother through when
It
you
is
fold the
easier to
seats.
load, yeah, I
But
agree
with the
with you.
seats up, the shallowness doesn't work with boxes like that.
Right.
But you can load through it easy and did fit all 4 boxes, but it found a big box. The only car that passed the big box was, of course, the Zoe.
The Zoe, yeah. But the
So-
Zoe we got all 4 boxes in the Zoe, and we got
Yeah.
the same number in the boot with the seats up. So the Zoe actually won.
I think so.
The load challenge,
Best
oddly.
choice.
The Leaf's big, but it's got that really
It's
awkward
just
kind of
such a
load
strange
space, so
shape.
it's a
Yeah,
strange
that's
shape.
right.
So kind of wins and fouls of all of them in that regards. But passengers, the Hyundai, big box, the Zoe,
Yeah.
other stuff and just bags and soft bits in the boot, the Leaf.
But ultimately, yeah, this has got more practicality overall size.
It's the best one, isn't
It's
it? Yeah,
easiest to load, yeah.
It's the best one, so we'll call it a
not the
quits
best
there
one.
on the. It's the best one,
not the best
obviously, and
one.
it
It's
looks the
not
best as
coupe.
well. So let's call it a wrap for today's practicality test. I hope that's been informative and useful. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, hit the like button, and follow us for the next video on these cars coming soon.